Hi, and welcome to our live training. Today, we are going to be looking at designing with 2D game tools. So we're going to be looking at some of the 2D features recently made available in Unity 5.6, and that includes some graphics features related to sorting, some physics features, and also 9-slice sprites. So what I'm going to do is we are going to take a look at the completed project that we're going to be using to demo here, and then I will switch over to our incomplete project and we'll get to work. So here is the complete project. Let's maximize and play. So we have a little game called Cannonball Castle, and we can move, we can shoot cows once in a while. We can also shoot cannonballs. We have these knights that move towards the castle, which are made up of a range of different sprites. So they're a group of sprites in the hierarchy that I'll show you, and they're all moving independently, and they are moving and sorting correctly in front of each other. And so we're going to look at that. And we have our environment here, which is composed of different sprites as well. And so if we allow them to kind of get over to the edge of the screen, we'll go into slow motion and get a game over message. So the complete scripts and everything are provided with the project so that you can take a look at that if you want to. And I'm not going to go through the scripts today, but they are there for you to look at and play with. And today we're going to be looking at some of the kind of 2D related features. So our goals for the session are we're going to learn how to use 9-slice sprites to lay out level elements. In this case, it's that brown dirt sort of play area that we have. We're also going to explore some of the available 2D collider options and choose a solution that's appropriate for this game. And we're going to learn how to use sorting groups along with the transparency sort axis settings of our camera to control the order that our elements are sorted in. And we'll talk a little bit more just about what sorting is and so on. So we have some assets available to download for this session. You can grab those from the link there on your screen. The other piece of content that I want to plug here, another asset download, is a reference project which is created by the 2D physics developer Melvin May, and that is on GitHub, which is at the URL that you see there, Melvin May /Unity Physics 2D. And that is a project, it's not a game, it's a bunch of little scenes where he set up all of the 2D physics components correctly to give you a kind of a reference. It's a work in progress, it's not completely finished, but I think it's a cool reference project for you to look at if you're interested in 2D physics, and I just wanted to plug that to make everybody aware of it. So now that we've got kind of an overview of our goals, our first step is going to be switching over to the incomplete project and getting our play area set up. And we're going to do that in the next segment.